Congratulations for reaching the end of the N2K quest chain, the need to know information. And, there's one more thing. Now, I'm not going to harp on what I did in the Illustrator Novice quest. I want you to understand, the video is going to go here, that the contenders, the people who are learning, growing, trying their best, not giving up, learning from their mistakes and playing by the rules, you can rise to the top. You can be the best students in the class, and there's not a handful of best students. I want this whole class to be there. As long as you're trying, as long as you're working along and following the instructions, you're a contender. You're rising to the top. The people that, lie to the top, the people that pretend to have done things, who claim to have done things they haven't really done, don't read the words, don't pay attention, don't practice, don't learn. It's all going to be revealed in your work. Hey, I'm not good at computers. Hey, you don't have to be good at computers in here. I'm not asking you to be fast. I'm asking you to be relentless, to not give up. And you will become a contender if you do that. If you think you're going to coast through this class and not really pay attention and not learn, you're going to get to the MacLab login and say, my password doesn't work. I'm going to say, oh no, I just deleted your account because I felt like you need to start over. I'd like to see you succeed, and you're heading towards failure. So you get to start over. You got a choice. If you click this button, if you click complete, you are telling me you are a contender, that you did everything I asked, that you practiced, that you tried your best, you didn't give up. You made mistakes, but you learned from them. I hope you went back and corrected them, because that's part of learning from your mistakes, and that's part of playing by the rules. So, if you click this button, that means you're telling me you're a contender. You're telling me you're serious about this class and you're ready, willing, and able to learn more. If that's the case, click that button, read the board, because it's going to have information for you on where to go next. And it's going to be a great year. Now, if you're having second thoughts about clicking this, go back. Nobody's going to be penalized for going back and doing things again. The penalties come from lying, from pretending to be something you're not, to claiming you have done things that you haven't done. Just understand, this is serious stuff. It's academic dishonesty. Well, Scotch, no other class does that. That's right. No other class does that. I told you, the MacLab's not like any other class. All right, you guys, going to be a great year. Go claim your badge, you contenders, and let's get on to the next phase of learning how to be a pro with these apps.